Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to show you all this LED reversing light that I installed on my Ford Falcon BA wagon. And it's just such an amazing output of light. As soon as I put it into reverse, I've wired it, so I get an amazing extra light output. And it really just lets you see so much better at night when reversing. Here we can see I've got the reverse light mounted to the bottom section of the bumper, and it's kind of tucked away out of sight, so it's not really that visible, which is excellent. But just look at how much light output we get, guys. That's amazing. So in this video I'll show you all how you can go about doing it. To start with, what we can do, of course, lift up the tailgate, and then just with a Phillips head screwdriver we'll be able to remove the tail light, and then that'll let us tap into the positive of the reverse light bulb. So to start with, grab your screwdriver and remove the two screws. There's one screw here at the top, and then there's another screw here at the bottom. And now with both of these screws removed, we'll be able to just slide out and pop out the tail light. Okay, now with the tail light removed, here we can see some of the wiring that I'd utilized to actually take the positive from this source all the way to the LED light. We can see that I'd tapped into the positive of the bulb and then installed an inline fuse for peace of mind and also for safety. And you'll know that the positive of the bulb is the red cable going to this middle bulb holder. So with our positive ran under the bumper, I'd just like to show you all that it very easily was able to be pushed and ran along this bottom edge of the bumper itself above the exhaust and taken away and cable tied up and out the way. And going to the other side of the car, under this end of the bumper, we can see this is where I'd installed the actual light itself. We have an earth connected to this bolt here, which is a chassis point, and then the positive we've gone and connected from the other section of the bumper from the tail light and cable tied out the way. So with that done, we can go and put our tail light back and the job is completed. So what I find now, every time I go through and put the car, well, the car's running and turned on, and I put the car into reverse, as soon as the reverse lights turn on, then my LED light bar turns on also. So very, very simple, handy installation. I find connecting the positive source like this works a treat, and it really does improve visibility at night. I'd just like to show you all some before and afters now. I set the camera down, and here we can see this is just the original reverse light halogen globes. So in a moment I'll just turn off the lights just to show you all from a complete dead, and then with the lights on, this is just the original reverse halogen globes. I'll go and actually connect the fuse that will then allow the positive wiring to go to the LED light, and we'll see the amazing difference that the LED light gives us. Beautiful, look at that. You just get so much visibility. I'd definitely be careful with this installation, guys, if you live in a CBD city area, anywhere that would dazzle other drivers. I live in a very rural area of South Australia, so I find this is no real issue for where I live. However, it really does give us such an amazing light output. I set the camera down, turn things off, and wait for nightfall. And with nightfall again, I'll turn the lights on again, and we'll just see how amazing, oh, look at that, how amazing the light output is. It's just so much safer in terms of being able to see things more easily. Perhaps what I could suggest, guys, is run this positive wiring to a switch to the front end of the car where you're sitting, if you live in the CBD city areas. And that way you can turn off the light perhaps when you're on a busy street, and you don't want to dazzle other cars or get the wrong type of police attention. So this is just a bit of a demonstration. It really does look really bright on camera, but it works so well in person. Just like to show you all closer. This is what the LED light bar it looks like, just a bunch of LEDs placed inside some little housings. And I got this off eBay. There was a pair of them, about 6 inches. Just like to show against my hand the sizing, so not too big, you know, pretty discreet. And I'll put the link to that below in the description, and you get a good amount of adjustability, which is excellent. The only thing to watch for was, out of this pair that I ordered, only one correct mounting kit arrived. The other mounting kit was incorrect. So other than that, guys, let's give it a flick for luck. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch us on the next one.